Hey guys! So today I created this look for like a easy back to school glam makeup look. And so this glam look isn't hard like at all. I use basic colors, and the only thing that would make it like really glam, I would say, are the eyelashes. So I'm kind of more like a glam look. So it's really easy to recreate, and I thought this would be like a perfect back to school makeup look. So if you want to see more, keep on watching. Okay, so since I already did my brows, I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. And the three main colors I'm going to be using is Golden Ochre, Raw Sienna, and Burnt Orange. So for the transition shade, I'm just going to be using Golden Ochre, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. So now for the crease, I'm going to be using Raw Sienna. So now to deepen the crease, I'm going to be using the color Burnt Orange. So in this clip, I noticed that it's very blurry and not focused, so I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm just going to be doing a thin line on my eyes. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I'm just going to be doing this before I put my lashes on. So for falsies, I'm going to be using the Ardell in the number 207. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is in the shade Buff Bisque. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium. Positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know, let me know, let me know. So I'm going to be going back to that same palette, and I'm going to be using those three shades again, and I'm going to be putting them underneath my eye. So I'm going to go back in with my mascara, and I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes. So for powder, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the number 120. So to bronze up my face, I'm going to be using this Cocoa Collection by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be using this bronzer shade. So for highlight, I'm going to be using the Morphe Babe in Paradise by Bretman Rock, and I'm going to be using all three shades on top. So last but not least, for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Cashmere Silk. So this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you are going back to school, welcome back to school. I'm sorry that you have to go back to school. I know it sucks. I'm glad I am over with school, honestly, but I do kind of miss it. Not really. But I hope you guys have a good school year, and I hope you guys have a good day today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!